Why do system logs slow down your operating system? Imagine your computer as a busy city. Every event, from opening an app to connecting to Wi-Fi, is like a new car on the road. System logs are like traffic cameras recording all these cars. While they are essential for keeping track of what's happening, too many cameras can cause traffic jams. That's what happens when system logs slow down your operating system. System logs are records created by the operating system and applications. They keep track of events like system startup and shutdown, hardware issues, security alerts, and resource usage. These logs help troubleshoot problems, monitor security, and analyze performance. But when logs grow too large or are managed poorly, they can cause delays. Writing logs uses system resources like CPU power, memory, and disk input-output operations. When logs are generated constantly and in large amounts, they demand more from your computer's processor and storage. This extra work can take away resources from other tasks, making your system feel sluggish. The process of saving logs to disk can also create bottlenecks. Disk input-output is slower than processing data in the CPU or memory. If logs are written frequently, especially on slower hard drives or solid-state drives, it can cause delays in other disk-dependent activities. Some operating systems write logs synchronously, meaning they wait for each write to finish before moving on. This waiting time adds up and can slow down your entire system. Log files can also become a problem as they grow larger. Searching, reading, or archiving big log files takes more time and resources. If your system or applications analyze logs in real time, this extra processing can cause noticeable slowdowns. Different operating systems handle logs differently. Windows uses event logs divided into categories like application, system, and security. The Windows Event Log service manages these logs and can be set to limit their size and how long they are kept. This helps control performance impact. Unix-like systems such as Linux and macOS use syslog or journaled for logging. These systems can be configured to write logs in batches or use asynchronous methods. This reduces the immediate load on the system and helps keep performance steady. System administrators can prevent logs from slowing down their computers by adjusting how much detail is recorded. They can set log levels to only capture necessary information. Log rotation policies archive and compress old logs, preventing files from becoming too large. Using asynchronous logging methods allows logs to be written in the background without blocking other operations. Some setups use dedicated logging servers or cloud services to handle logs separately from the main system. This way, log processing does not interfere with everyday tasks. In summary, system logs slow down your operating system mainly because they consume CPU, memory, and disk resources. When logs are large, detailed, or handled synchronously, they can cause delays. Proper log management and configuration are key to keeping your system running smoothly while still benefiting from the insights logs provide.